Okay, right. This C happens because if I differentiated something like y equals 5, this would differentiate to 0, right? Just like before when we had our cubic, I think it was, there was a term at the end and we didn't include it because any constant term differentiates to 0. But y equals 7 would also differentiate to 0. And y equals 12 would differentiate to 0. And y equals 54 would differentiate to 0. So when we integrate and we have 0 at the end, well, how do we know we started with 5 or 7 or 12 or 54 or whatever, right? So to make sure we include that, we just use C. And C is just a constant. So C could be anything. Quite often we don't know what that C is and we just leave it as C. So it feels a little bit unsatisfying to have something that we haven't solved at the end, but it's the easiest way to do it. It's like a catch-all for any number that may or may not have been there in the beginning.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And it's really important that we have this. So it's worth highlighting in your notes, possibly. We would lose a mark in the exam if we didn't have this, because it would be incorrect. So always plus C. As we go through here, I'm going to say it each time. Don't forget the plus C, don't forget the plus C.
Okay.
All right.